Hi kids, hi to all of you. Welcome back in this amazing YouTube session of ODA. So I'm Rahul Bhardwaj, your master teacher once again, and we are going to continue the same topic of patterns. So let me give you a quick recap. What we have learned so far, we have learned about patterns, we have learned about number patterns, alphabetical patterns, and in the same series, this is going to be the last topic of alphanumeric pattern. This is something which we are going to learn in today's session. So hi to all of you. Welcome back. I hope all of you guys are doing great. So let's get started with this amazing topic of alphanumeric pattern. So my name is Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. I have more than 4 years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 25,000 students. Let me mentor you in this session as well, right? So, uh, talking about the ODA app, I hope all of you guys have downloaded. Let me know in the chat box if you have not downloaded. Go download the app from the Play Store, right? Explore all the amazing features that this app contains. Believe me, guys, you are going to fall in love with this app because we have got one very amazing app, right? So download the app. And yes, talking about the bridge course program, a program which is basically the trial classes. It starts every Monday. And what is this bridge course program? In this bridge course program, we actually teach you some really interesting topics, something which you are not learning on daily basis, something which no one else is teaching you. So those kind of amazing concepts we are going to teach you in this bridge course program. It is just a 1 week program which will be having so many cool, so many amazing and interesting features. You want to try this out? I would strongly recommend you that you would try this out, right? So this is the link which you can use to enroll yourself in the bridge course. 1 week of well-defined education we are going to provide you at this affordable price of rupees 49. So use this icon, which is already available in the description box. Use it to enroll in the Bridge Course program. Believe me, guys, you are going to learn so many amazing things, right? So let's get started. Let's get started with a quick basic recap of the number patterns, alphabetical patterns, and something which we are going to learn for the very first time, alphanumeric pattern. Okay, so try to understand what is the similarity in all the three things and what is the difference. When I talk about number pattern, a collection of numbers that repeat or grow according to a rule. So number pattern, when we are talking about number pattern, we have a collection of numbers, only numbers. Okay, focus on this part. We have a collection of numbers. When we talk about the alphabetical pattern, again we have a collection of letters. This time we have the collection of letters that repeats or grows according to a rule. Right? Numbers over here, letters over here. Number pattern, numbers, alphabetical patterns, we have alphabets over here. But when we talk about the alphanumeric pattern, so this alphanumeric word is made up of two words by combining the two words. So we have combined alpha for alphabets and we have numeric for numbers. So from the name itself, this is pretty much clear that in this we are going to have a collection of letters and numbers both. We are going to have collection of alphabets, letters, and we are going to have collection of numbers. So if you guys are okay, if you guys have understood what are number patterns, how to solve it, and if you guys have learned how to do alphabetical patterns, believe me, this last topic is going to be super easy for you, because using the previous two concepts only, we are going to solve the questions of the third topic. Okay, this is not something new. If you have done these two things, this is the same thing only. We are just going to combine the two things together, nothing extra. So if you have not seen the previous two videos where we have discussed about number patterns, alphabetical patterns, go find those videos in the ODA app or in the YouTube channel only. You will be finding that. I will also attach the link in the description box as well so that it will be easier for you to find those videos. Okay, so shall we start now? Let's start this amazing topic of alphanumeric pattern, which contains both alphabets as well as numbers. So I'm going to start the class with the very first question. So over here, this is a pattern. So we have ABC, 1, 2, D, E, F, 3, 4. Then we have two blanks, J, K, L, 7, 8, blank again. The very first thing which would come in my mind is I can see alphabets as well as number. Both of the things are there. Definitely this is going to be alphanumeric pattern. Okay. Now the second thing which would come in your mind is how to solve it. Aren't you thinking the same only? Now how to solve it? Okay, we have got to know this is alphanumeric. Now what? What to do? How to solve it? So nothing new is going to happen. I will tell you one trick. Okay, this topic is very easy, but most of the kids they actually face a lot of problem while solving the alphanumeric pattern. Why? Because they get confused. They get confused. Why they get confused? Because no one is teaching them properly how to solve it. Luckily, you guys are here, and I'm going to teach you how effectively you guys can solve all the alphanumeric patterns. Believe me, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, so one trick I'm going to tell you, which in which a lot of the kids they get confused, right? So in my last 4 years of teaching experience, I have learned where exactly the kids are facing problem. So I got to know that they face problem in solving alphanumeric pattern. But in my opinion, this is very easy because the trick which I use, it never fails me. The same trick I am also going to teach you. Right. So remember one thing, whenever you are going to solve alphanumeric pattern, where we have alphabets as well as number, focus on them one by one. Don't focus on them at a time, right? So focus on them one by one. Let's say I am going to start with alphabets. Let's ignore that I have numbers over here. Let's just ignore I have number 12 here, 34 here, 78 here. Let's ignore that. If I will ignore the numbers, now don't you think this has become an alphabetical pattern? And don't you think that you can solve alphabetical pattern? We have just learned in the previous session, right? So just ignore the numbers as of now and focus on the alphabets only. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. What will come next? A, B, C, D, E, F. Next one will be G, H, I, right? Then we have J, K, L. J, K, L. After that, it would be M, N, O. After that, it would be M, N, O. Don't you think this is so easy for you guys? I have skipped this number because over here number will come, right? That is why I have not filled this place. Alternatively, the alphabets and the numbers are coming. So this is the place reserved for numbers, right? Understood this part? How we can do this? Ignore the numbers and focus only on the alphabets part. And you can see that how quickly we have got the answer. Okay, now let's focus on the remaining thing. Now the alphabets are done. We are going to focus on the numbers now. We are going to focus on the numbers now. Okay. So now, right now, what you can do, you can ignore the alphabets. Their part is done. The alphabet part is done. If I will ignore all the alphabets, now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, blank, 7, 8. What is this? A number pattern. And we already know how to solve number pattern questions, right? That is why I was telling you, if you can do number patterns and alphabetical pattern, this topic will be win-win for you. Right? Let's focus on this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time it will be 5, 6. Then we have 7, 8. And that is it. Done. We are done. Guys, you can have a look. We are done. That is how easily we can solve the question. And yes, this is it. So yes, we have taken some time to solve the equation, but only because I was teaching you how to do that, right? So now all of you guys are clear. We have to focus on one by one. We have to focus on them one by one. Only then we will be able to solve it without any confusion. If you will consider both of the things at one time, it might create problem for you. It might not, but in most of the cases, it does create problems. right? So we have removed that problem and we can focus on alphabets, okay, and then numbers, or the other way around. Okay, yeah. So what about this question? I have a question for you. What is the next in the pattern? So what kind of pattern is this? Is this number pattern? No, we have alphabets, we have number. This is alphanumeric pattern. So in the alphanumeric pattern, we have alphabets as well as number. Let's see how the pattern is working, how the pattern is growing. So we have A, after two digits, we have B, after two digits, we have C, after two digits, what will come after two digits? A, two digits, then B, two digits, then C, two digits, the next one will be D. Next one will be D. Okay. Why I am not considering the digits as of now? Because I am only focusing on the letters. I am only focusing on the letters because that is the trick which I use. Focus only on the letters. Right. Now the letter part is done. Now I can focus on the numbers. So I have 1, 2, then I have 3, 4. Next time it will be 5, 6. So 56D, option A is the answer. 56D, option A is the answer. Easy peasy. Just focus, okay, on letters and numbers separately, not together. That is the key how you can solve it. I have one more question for you, but this time I want you guys to try and solve the question. We have 20Z, 17Y, 14X. What will come next? What will come next? I'm giving you 30 seconds. Your time starts now. 30 seconds you have, guys. Try to solve the question. Okay? So you guys can focus on the numbers first. 20, 17, 14. What will come next? And after that, you can focus on the letters. You have 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds you have. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Done. Have you got the answer? A, B, C, or D? Let me know in the chat box what is the right answer. A, B, C, or D? Okay, okay. So let's focus on the numbers as of now. So we have 20 minus 3, 17. 17 minus 3, 14. What is this? Minus 3 is the rule here. So 14 minus 3, 11. This would be 11. Number part is done. Let's come to the alphabet part now. So we have Z, then we have Y, then we have X. Okay, we are going backward. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We are going backward. So first we started with Z, then we had Y. Next time we had X. What we will have next? W. W. 11W. Option A is the answer. Don't you think these are easy questions only? Right? And these are the Olympiad questions. That is why in the beginning only I have mentioned this specifically that this is one of the favorite topics for Olympiad and this is going to be super easy and super amazing topic for you. I hope you are having fun also while learning the topic because this is one easy topic and we all have fun when the topic is easy. Right? Okay, let's have one more question. Find the next in the pattern. Again, I have a pattern question for you. Right? You have to understand that we are having a pattern which is actually alphanumeric because alphabets and numbers both are involved. Right? So alphanumeric pattern it is. Right. So what you have to do? Strategy you guys know already. I have told you the strategy. Focus on one kind at a time. So we can focus on alphabets first. We have P, Q, R, S, T, U. What will come next? I do not know, but I think you know the answer. What will come next? P, Q, R, S, T, U. What will come next? Are you saying V? Definitely, it is V only. Okay, this will be V only. Now let's talk about the numbers now. So we have 0, 1, then I have 0, 2, 03, 04, 05, 06. What will come next? 7? 7 will come? No, it will be 07. It will be 07, right? Because we are having 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06. Next one will be 07. V07 is the right answer. I believe all of you guys have understood this part. Very easy, right? Let's do one last question for this session. Let's do one last question for this session and then we will wrap this up. Okay, last question for the session. So complete the pattern 28Z, 27Y, 26X. What will be the next two? Now you have to tell me next two terms, not one term. You have to tell me next two terms. I guess 30 seconds would be sufficient for you guys, right? Go ahead. 30 seconds you have. Give this a try. Focus on the numbers first, and once you are done, then you can focus on the alphabets. Okay? Your 30 seconds starts. Have a look. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. How many of you guys have solved it and you have got the answer? How many of you? Amazing. Amazing. Great. Okay. So let's focus on the numbers first, right? Because we have number first. Let's focus on the numbers first. So 28 minus 1, 27, minus 1, 26. So I will keep on moving like this only. 26 minus 1, 25, because I have to find two terms. So 25 minus 1, 24. Is this clear? The number part is done, guys. You can see that the number part is done. Now, talking about the alphabetical part, again we are going in the reverse order. Z, Y, X. What comes before X? What comes before X? W, right. And what comes before W? V. So 25W, 24V, option D is the right answer. And these all are the Olympiad question. If you are thinking that Olympiad questions are so easy, believe me, they are easy. Once you are learning them, okay, in an effective way from good teacher, all the topics they appear to be easy. And that is what we do in ODA. We provide you better teacher for your better future. If you want to experience more things, you can go explore our ODA app. If you have not downloaded, do that right now. After the ending of the session, just go in the Play Store, download the app now and get the access to all the beautiful features that we are giving you. It would be so much fun. And do not forget to enroll in the Bridge Course program, a program in which we are going to provide you a different approach, a different way of learning we are going to show you. It does not matter if you are very intelligent, you are average, you are below average. Something we are going to teach you which can really help you understand the things, understand the topics in a better way. Okay, so these are the trial classes. You can enroll in the trial classes using the link. The link is also in the description box. Find it. Okay, the affordable price we have 49 rupees for one complete week. Where else you are going to find this much affordable education from all the good teachers, all the great teachers that we have in ODA? Okay, so you guys can download the app. We have the concept of the ODA coins also. With the help of the ODA coins, you can purchase gifts also. Okay, because we believe in fun with learning. Yes, we are going to teach you, but we want you to have fun along with learning so that you can really learn. Because we love doing that thing where we enjoy. So if you can, if you will start enjoying the study also, you will also start paying attention and learn, understand all the concepts. That will be all for this session, guys. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do that because every day we are, we are posting so many amazing videos for you. And each and every video contains some information which can really help you. right? To keep yourself posted, you can subscribe to our channel. You can press on the bell icon so that every time when a teacher comes to teach you, you get notification. Do like and share the video with all your friends so that they can also see how we are teaching in ODA, right? So I'll see you guys in the next session with a new topic of factors. Yes, that we are going to learn next, factors. So I'll see you guys in the session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.